Earnings Whispers Premium App Pricing explained what you get for your money. Earnings Whispers is a platform that provides early and accurate earnings announcements, analyst estimates, and real-time market sentiment. Most people get this wrong by assuming these services are expensive, but Earnings Whispers offers clear subscription tiers. Premium plan, usually around per month, gives access to full earnings calendar alerts, whisper numbers, and analyst predictions. This is perfect for active traders who rely on earnings data to make timely decisions. Enterprise-level plans include API access, enhanced analytics, and priority support. For example, traders can receive notifications before an earnings report and adjust their positions, potentially capturing market opportunities that most retail investors miss. In conclusion, Earnings Whispers pricing reflects the value of timely, actionable data. By understanding the subscription plan, investors and traders can decide whether the insights justify the cost, ensuring smarter, data-driven decisions.